Hey guys, welcome to another video of Torque Zone. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, we'll be replacing this starter on a 1988 John Deere 850 tractor. And before we take it off, we'll have to undo some connections here. We'll have to take off, I think it should be like a 10 or 12 millimeter. You'll have to take this off right here with this bolt, and it'll just unscrew it, and it'll just should come right off. Then under here you have a connection here you'll have to pull off. It took me a little bit to take some off. It'll take me take a little bit of force, take off with some pliers or something. But yes, you'll have to take that off. And I guess I'll go ahead and take it off. Should be like a 12 millimeter. There you go, you gotta break it loose. Take the nut, you gotta save the nut, put it on top. You can just slide the connections off. They'll be in this rubber boot here. And you can just let that dangle. So we'll have to take out this connection here. We'll have to use pliers because with your hand it's a little bit harder to do. So if you use pliers, you should just pull it right out with a little bit of force. You have that connector in there. Make sure it doesn't have any dirt in there. Just blow it out or whatever. And then now we'll have to take off this starter piece. I have to take these bolts off. And when you take these off, I'll start the video again and see that from there. So the last bolts, you took off one right here. This bottom one right here. They have another one right back here, if you can see that. Should shine the light on it. There you go. You can see it. It's right there. It's also, they're 17 millimeters. And a little difficult to get off. Might have to use a wrench for that one. So after we get this one off, start the video again. So we have this starter in the double wrap package here. And so we're just gonna place it in like it came out. Place like this, line up the holes. And just kind of fit it in like that. And it should fit in up against this flywheel right here. So that's how it starts. It turns it and it turns this flywheel. So I'm gonna start putting these nuts on and we'll go on from there. So we're gonna put this bolt. This is the second bolt. I already put this bolt in right here on top, which is the most annoying one to get. And so you got to get it nice and snug on there, and then you can tighten it. Right now it's nice and snug. So we got to put the connectors back on. So you can just stick this back in. There you go. Should be nice and connected. Then we're gonna put these back on. These connectors right here. So you have the battery cable unhooked, because if we don't, I'll just get electrocuted. So
that'll make for good views, good viewing, but
yeah, but I don't really want to put that risk.
Ain't a risk. Sorry, it's a view getter.
It's a view getter. That's more like a charred wade getter.
You know, the struggle.
All right, so you just gotta tighten up a little bit. Okay, so it's on and it's all connected up, and let's try it out.
Just a standard sobriety test.
Are my pupils dilated?
They look normal to me.
That's bright.
Boogity, 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 boogity. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, he's following.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.